Welcome to the March edition of ActiveCollab's Recaps. We'll review some new features we've been working on that will be available in the new version. Discover the details in this video. ActiveCollab 8 Subtasks Due Date. A very popular feature that many of our users asked for is setting a due date on subtasks. This feature works similarly to selecting a deadline for your tasks, meaning you'll be able to see the assignee's availability and pick the date accordingly. If you happen to select a date that comes after the task's due date, you'll get a warning indicating a subtask must be completed before the main task. ActiveCollab 8 People Page. We're working on new ways to help you find exactly the companies, roles, or teams you're looking for within seconds. So far, we've made it possible to filter and sort all those who are invited to your ActiveCollab account. We'll add more options to this page soon, so you can have a clear overview of everyone you're working with. ActiveCollab 8 Comment to Task. Sometimes, the information in a comment is so important that it could be an independent task. We've now added the possibility of creating a task from a comment, copying all its contents. The new task will be placed in the same task list as the original task, but you can easily move it to anywhere else. The same can be done with comments on discussions and notes. Create a task, and it will appear on the project's first task list. ActiveCollab 8 Duplicate Notes. Handling documents will now be easier, as you'll be able to duplicate your notes and automatically share them with the same people, saving you time and repetitive work. Coming up, we're creating an enhanced way to invite people to your ActiveCollab account, a new expenses tab, and further implementing subtask due dates in other corners of the app. Follow our channel for more updates from ActiveCollab.